Hello guys, in this video we'll guide you to how to install Windows 11 on KVM. So let's start. First we will open KVM. Click on create new virtual machine. Choose a local install media. Forward, click browser and click browser local. Choose Windows 11 ISO. Click open. Here choose Windows 10. Forward. Memory size I will give it 8 GB. And CPU I will give it 3. Forward. Disk image I will give it 60. It's enough for me. Forward. And choose customize configuration before install. Let's add hardware. Add TPM and just leave it as it is. Click finish and click begin installation. I will choose English United States. Next. Now click on Shift F10. Right rigid it. Go to local machine and choose system. Choose setup. Click right click. Choose new key and write lab config. Click right click, new dword 23-bit value and write bypass secure boot check. Click enter and double click again. Change the value to 1 and click OK. Now we are ready to go. Close this window and close CMD. Click install now. If you have the product key, enter it. For me, I will choose I don't have a product key. For this installation I will choose Windows 11 Pro. Next. Accept the agreement and click next. Choose customized, install Windows only advanced and click next. Now the installation is started. Now choose a country or region. I will continue with United States. The keyboard layout I will continue with the default United Kingdom. I will skip. For me, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, so now I will connect it to continue the installation. And now it's connected. Click next. Skip for now. I will set up for personal use. Next. Sync in. Next. Choose the name. Enter the password. Enter the security questions. Next. Accept. And now we have installed Windows 11 successfully in KVM. So, thank you for watching.